Auto storage class. Storage classes are used to describe the scope, lifetime, where the variable would be stored, etc. This helps us to trace the existence of a particular variable during the runtime of a program. C language uses 4 storage classes, namely auto, extern, static, and register. Auto. This is the default storage class for all the variables declared inside a function or a block. Hence, the keyword auto is rarely used while writing programs in C. Auto variables can be only accessed within the block or function they have been defined and not outside them. They can also be accessed within nested blocks within the parent block or function in which the auto variable was declared. Auto variables are assigned a garbage value by default whenever they are declared. Let's write a program to show how an automatic storage class variable is declared and the fact that if the variable is not initialized, it contains a garbage value. Open a new file in code blocks and save it as s9_01.c. Ctrl+Shift+N, Ctrl+S, s9_01.c. Write hash include open close angular brackets stdio.h int main open close parenthesis void inside the parenthesis open close curly brace return 0 semicolon. Declare two automatic variables I and j. Auto int I, j semicolon. Print I and j. Printf open close parenthesis semicolon within double quotes write %d after the closing double quotes put a comma and write I, j. Press F9 to build and execute the program. As you can see, two garbage values have been printed for I and j. When you run the program, you may get different values since garbage values are unpredictable. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.